Hello beautiful souls, my name is Heather. Welcome to Tap Into Your Magic, and this is going to be a very nice wake up morning stretch flow. So I'll see you standing at the top of the mat. So we're going to begin right here, standing at the top of the mat, and all I want you to do is just have a gentle bend in your knees and just start to take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale with a big sigh. And just start to sway your arms from side to side, just letting out any tension, keeping those knees bent. You might want to start nice and slow, and then as you begin to warm up, you can also just make the stretch even more. Looking over each shoulder, releasing any tension from the night before. And then bring yourself back to center with your knees still slightly bent, and then take a deep breath in and bring your arms up to the sky, hands to touch in prayer position, and then exhale as you slowly roll down, bringing your forehead down towards the mat. Keep a generous bend in your knees and just allow your spine to decompress. And then inhale, bring your hands up towards your shins. You can try and keep your legs straight if you can. If there's a bend, that's fine. And then keep your spine straight, pushing your shoulder blades together. And then fall back down to the mat. And then slowly roll up through your spine, inch by inch, really feeling into all the areas of the spine. And then bring both hands up again, up above your head, hands to touch, hands to prayer position. We'll do that one more time, a little bit quicker. Inhale, arms reach up to the sky, palms to touch. Exhale, we'll dive down. Hands touch the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, spine straight. And then fall down, hands to the mat. And then roll up through your spine till you're standing. Then arms reach back up overhead, prayer position, hands at the heart. And what we'll do now is again take a deep breath in, arms reach up, and then fall down to the mat. And as your hands touch the mat, you're going to step back into a downward facing dog, keeping your shoulders away from your ears. You can begin to bend one knee and then the other, releasing any tension in the hips, the calves. You might even want to sway your head side to side, doing a yes or no action, releasing some tension in the neck. So you can mix up whatever you need. Maybe you need more of a leg stretch, a neck stretch. And then begin to walk your hands back towards your feet. And we'll do a ragdoll fold from here. So hold on to opposite elbows and gently sway side to side. Remembering to breathe deeply. And just notice your thoughts as well. Maybe you're thinking about the day ahead. Can you really spend this time on the mat just being completely present with yourself and your body? And bring both hands down towards the mat. And then you can bend your right knee, straighten your left leg, and then lift your left arm up to the sky for a nice twist. And bring that hand back down. This time, bend your left knee, straighten your right, and your right arm reaches up towards the sky for a nice twist. And bring that hand back down. And then walk your hands out to a plank pose. You can also do this on your knees. And then wherever you are, come down to the mat nice and slow till your body touches the mat. Push into your hands, lift up your chest for cobra pose. You can straighten your arms or keep them bent. Opening up the shoulders, the chest. And then into a tabletop pose, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. We'll do cat and cow from here. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, push your shoulder blades back. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Again, inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, round the spine. And now you can start to take a few circular motions here with the spine, or stick with a traditional cat and cow, whatever you need. Feeling out all those areas of tension and tightness. And then come back to a neutral tabletop pose. We'll do thread the needle. Lift your right arm up to the sky like we did in that twist. And then bring it underneath so your shoulder and ear touch the mat. You have the option here to straighten your left arm out in front of you. Or for a deeper stretch, you can bring the left arm up and around the body. So you'll definitely feel a deep stretch in your shoulders. And this is great to do in the morning if you know you're going to be sitting all day. Remembering to breathe, present moment. And then come back to tabletop pose, and we'll do the second side. Inhale, left arm reaches up to the sky. And then thread it underneath. With those options, you can straighten the right arm or bring that right arm up and around your body, tucking it into your hips. And then come back to center into tabletop pose, and we'll just also stretch the hips out as well into a pigeon pose to bring the right foot to the top of the mat. Your left leg is going straight behind you. You have a few options here. You can stay on your fingertips with your chest reaching up, or you can also fold down to the mat. Whatever you need today. If you're folding down as well, you have the option just to sway side to side to create some mobility in your hips. You can also bring your forehead down to the mat. And then slowly come up, back into tabletop pose, and we'll switch sides. Your left leg comes to the top of the mat, right leg straight behind you. You can start off on your fingertips, looking up towards the sky. Or you can begin to fold down, maybe even swaying side to side. Or bringing your forehead down. And slowly come back up. Oh, it's beautiful. There's like two buzzards having a conversation. You might be able to hear it through the microphone. And then we'll finish off with a child's pose. You can bring your big toes together if that's not accessible. Whatever's comfortable for you in child's pose. So open up your legs as wide as it feels good to you. Dropping your forehead down to the mat, straightening your arms. And taking this moment in child's pose to set an intention for your day, how you'd like to feel. setting a positive intention. And take one long deep breath in. And exhale. Slowly begin to roll up to take a seat. And bring both arms out beside you. Gather this beautiful energy into the palms of your hands and into your heart space, welcoming in a beautiful day up ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. And you can also follow this up if you'd like to with an EFT tapping, very quick, to help you get into a positive mindset. And thank you so much. I will see you in another one.